really these kinds of songs. Once I start to sing them, that music just gets to me. It just hollers at me all the time. Says, you get back in here. This is who you are. This is what you do best. Here's what lies my flowers now. This is why I'm wondering. Oh, at least I can. It just dies, sun, and I feel just wither. Just a wild back rose in freedom. So I left here now. The flowers die, will always survive. Our flowers don't care where they go. Along the way, entertainment executives and record companies would often question the way I looked, and they tried to change me. But I refused. As I said, I always knew I was different. The reason I like my hair and pretty clothes is because it's something I never had as a kid. I'm not trying to follow any styles. May not be in style, but I like to think that I've got my own style. Like Minnie Burrow used to say, any old barn looks better with a little red paint on it.